Eliminate your concerns about unplanned IT downtime. FS guarantees a lifetime of satisfaction. With strict quality control standards, we ensure top-tier quality across product development, supply chain, production, and customer experience. In addition to the 30-day unconditional return and exchange policy, we offer free or discounted repair and replacement services based on the product warranty terms. For unexpected failures, we provide spare parts services to ensure prompt replacement of hardware components. Maintaining uninterrupted operation, customers can easily access all technical documents. And our team is readily available to troubleshoot issues for you and minimize downtime. Visit fs.com and explore our after-sales portal. Submit the form, and an expert will reach out to you soon. Thank you for considering FS Warranty and Maintenance Service. Trust FS to provide the reliability your business deserves.